Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English lecture. In today's lecture, we are going to solve the English worksheets. So, I request all of you to kindly remove your worksheet number 2 and worksheet number 3. So, let's start with worksheet number 2. In worksheet 2, poem 1.4, All the World's a Stage is given. So, I request all of you to kindly remove your textbook, page number 24. All are ready with their textbook, page number 24? Now see, on page 24, two stanzas are there. We are going to start our passage from second stanza. You got and then the justice. From there till page number 25, the last word, sends everything. And then the justice, in fair round belly with good cap and lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise sorts and modern instances, and so he plays his part. The sixth age shifts into the lean and slippered pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful horse well saved a world too wide for his shrunk shank and his big manly voice. Turning again towards childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound, last scene of all, that ends this strange eventful history, is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sense teeth, sense eyes, sense state, sense everything. So let's start solving the worksheet. Before we start with solving the worksheet, let me tell you one important thing. This worksheet pattern is as same as board paper pattern. In board exam, poem passage come for 5 marks, in which 3 questions are there. Question A1, simple factual activities, in which easy question comes like complete the following diagram or true or false or matching or fill-ups. It is very easy. Then question number A2, complex factual activity. It is bit difficult as compared to A1, but then also it is very easy. It also comes for 2 marks. Then comes question A3. In this, activities based on poetic devices are asked. This comes for 1 mark, in which questions like figure, speech or rhyme schemes comes. So I guess it is clear to you. The poem passage, only 3 questions are there. A1 simple activities, A2 complex factual activities and A3 activities based on poetic devices. So let's start with our worksheet, All the World's a Stage. Now start with question A1. Complete the following diagram. The last 3 stages in a person's life. In this passage, if you read, 3 stages are mentioned. The last 3 stages in a person's lives are mentioned in this passage. The first line only, and then the justice in fair round belly with good cap and lined, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut. Here we are talking about whom? We are talking about an adult. So the 5th stage is of an adult. Then come to the 6th stage. See, you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th line. See the 5th line of your poem? The 6th age shifts into lean and slipper pantaloon with spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful horse well saved a world too wide. If you see, this is a description of an old man. So in 6th stage you will write an old man. Now 7th stage. Now see the last 5 lines. Turning again toward childishness treble, pipes and whistle in his sound, last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history. If you see this last 5 lines, you will come to know the 7th stage is of a very old man. So we have completed question number 1. 5th stage an adult, 6th stage an old man, 7th stage a very old man. Is it clear to everyone? Now come to question number A2. Describe the last stage of a man's life. Now listen, the last stage of man's life, where it is given? This is, if you see, this is given in the last 5 lines of the given poem. You can see turning again towards childish treble till there to sense everything. If you read these 5 lines, you will get your answer in these 5 lines only. But dear children, do not copy down the lines as it is given directly in the textbook. You have to frame your answer in a proper sentence, in a proper meaning, then you have to write it down. Is it clear to everyone? Because what children used to do, they used to just copy down the lines from the text as it is given. No, dear, it is wrong. You have to understand and you have to frame it in your own words, then you have to write. Now, if you see these 5 lines, how it will be framed, I will tell you. The last stage of all, which ends this eventful life, is when the man becomes old and weak and enters his second childhood. He is again unaware of what is happening around him. This final stage is when he is once more without teeth, without vision, without taste, and without anything. Now come to question number A3. Activities based on poetic devices. This carries 1 mark. In this, question like figure of speech or rhyme scheme can come. Here in your worksheet, the question is name and explain figure of speech used in the following lines. So if the question is of 1 mark, so you will get half mark for naming it and half mark for explaining it. You have to name as well as you have to explain it. So what is the sentence given? His youthful horse, well saved, a world too wide. I know everybody must have got the answer for it. Yes, it is alliteration. Why it is alliteration? Give the explanation of it. Yes, repetition of the sound of W. Very good. So, I hope everybody got the idea of solving the worksheet. How the questions for poem passages can come and how you have to solve it. Is it clear to everyone? Okay.